Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me tell you something. Spring is coming, summer is coming, and one of my favorite things to eat, especially like with cookouts, is pasta salad. One of my favorite pasta salads is the bacon and ranch pasta salad. It is absolutely phenomenal. Today we're going to be making a homemade bacon ranch pasta salad. It's going to be so creamy, so delicious. You are absolutely gonna love it. Get you a pot of boiling water, add you some salt, salt it like the sea. Bring it to a boil. You're gonna add your pasta of choice. I'm using rotini. Give it a stir. Once this comes to a boil, you're gonna cook it for 5 minutes. You're gonna add a couple more ingredients. Cook it for another 5 minutes or until al dente. After about 5 or 6 minutes, you want to add a good handful of shaved carrots in your pot and a good handful of frozen peas. About half a cup. We're going to cook it for about another 5 minutes. Once your pasta's done, you want to make sure that you drain it, and then you want to run cold water over it just to stop the cooking process. You're going to add about, slip it out of my hands. You're going to add about 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. It's quite a bit, so we might end up adding a whole cup. I have to open another jar. You know, this all depends on your preference of creaminess. We're probably gonna need some more. About another big spoonful. And then you're gonna add these ranch. Have you seen these? These are the ranch dip. You can buy them in like a 4-pack, or you can buy them singly. I like to buy them in the 4-packs because, you know, I like to make ranch dip with sour cream, and I like to put this on chicken, pork chops, all kinds of goodness. And then you're just gonna add this in. Now this is to taste, so we're gonna give that a stir. And we're gonna add just a little bit of garlic powder, just a little bit. Little pepper. And we're also gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Now you just need to add your bacon. If you want to fry up bacon, you go right ahead, but I like to use these bacon bits. These are really good, and it just makes it so much easier. You do it till it feels good. You just add as much as you like. Let's go in for a taste. Y'all need to make it. Bye-bye.